Hi, I'm Dan Chambers, the founder of Chambers Law Firm. Thank you for visiting my website and in particular for watching this video. Today I'm going to talk about a common topic that I get calls on all the time. One of the subspecialties we do here at Chambers Law Firm is defend people against elder abuse claims. And when I say elder abuse, it can encompass a wide variety of activity. Some of my clients are charged with crimes of elder abuse for financial dealings and for allegedly stealing money or otherwise misappropriating property of an elder. Another common type is your general neglect or physical harm to an elder. But today I'm going to talk specifically about financial elder abuse, which tends to be the more common type that I get calls on. A typical situation is that someone will call me and say that a detective visited their home and started asking them questions about their loved one's finances, whether it's their elderly parent or elderly grandparent or some other relative over the age of 65. I then get a phone call from that person and say, what do? I haven't done anything wrong. How do I protect myself in that situation? Well, there's several different things that you should do immediately. The first one is we need to know the exact scope of what this law enforcement officer is asking you about. Are they bank records, life insurance policies, real estate or houses that maybe have been sold, or all of the above? So the first task is to get our hands on what types of financial elder abuse are you being accused of? Because that leads to the very next step in our analysis, and that is what documents do we need to gather and examine on your behalf? If it's a variety of financial elder abuse claims, we need to see things like bank statements of your elder, powers of attorney you may have signed giving control to you over that property, real estate documents if a property was recently sold or transferred, tax returns, or any other financial records that you've been dealing with on behalf of the elder that you've been taking care of. So the second piece is getting our arms around the documents. What pieces of paper do we need to look at? And the final step is combining steps 1 and 2. There could be lots of legitimate explanations for your financial activity on behalf of your loved one. Perhaps that elder has expressed the desire to give the house to you so that you can manage the property. Perhaps that loved one has signed a power of attorney because they no longer feel they're competent or able to run their own finances. In other words, there could be a completely innocent explanation for the actions that you've taken and for the money that you might have paid for their care and their comfort. And that's where the bank statements come in handy. We can do a thorough analysis of every transaction and ask you questions about where the money went and the purposes for it. Because many times there are innocent explanations for what otherwise to a law enforcement officer might look like elder abuse. If you're in this situation, please call us immediately so we can get to work for you. We always provide a free consultation, so please call us at the number indicated on this video. Thank you very much.